All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about Chime. You've probably heard of it, right? The online bank that's all about making your financial life easier. But here's the burning question: does Chime accept wire transfers? I know. You're thinking, why would I use a wire transfer with a digital bank? Well, maybe you're selling a car, or closing on a house, or perhaps you're receiving a large sum of money from overseas. Whatever the reason, wire transfers can be a convenient way to move large amounts of cash. So, does Chime play ball in the wire transfer game? Let's dive in. First things first, wire transfers aren't exactly the speediest or cheapest way to move money. They can take a couple of days to process, and there are often fees involved, both on your end and the recipient's. So, if you're looking for instant gratification and low costs, wire transfers might not be your jam. But let's get back to Chime. As of right now, the answer is a no. Chime does not currently offer wire transfer services. If you try to send a wire transfer to a Chime account, it's likely going to be returned to the sender. Bummer, right? Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, let's talk about why this might be. Chime is all about speed and convenience. Wire transfers, on the other hand, are slow and can be a hassle. It's possible that Chime has decided to focus on other methods of transferring money, like their instant transfers and debit card use. But don't despair, there are still ways to get money into your Chime account. You can use direct deposit from your employer, link an external bank account to transfer funds, or use services like Zelle or Cash App. These options are often faster, cheaper, and more convenient than wire transfers. So, while Chime might not be your go-to for wire transfers, it doesn't mean it's not a great option for your overall banking needs. They offer a range of features, from no overdraft fees to automatic savings, that can help you manage your money better. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the future? Could Chime decide to offer wire transfers down the line? It's possible. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and banks are always looking for ways to improve their services. So, keep an eye on Chime's website and social media channels for any updates. But for now, the bottom line is, Chime doesn't accept wire transfers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.